Whoever requested this, you owe me. Will it pop Thai red curry? I had no plans on making a Thai red curry popcorn video ever, but I asked you in one of the last Will It Pop videos what I should try popping, and I got this request on Instagram that I try Thai red curry popcorn. So we're going to give it a go. I'm going to save you some time. I actually started this video and didn't hit record, and I just added red curry paste right into the Popsmith. And the curry paste doesn't break down into the coconut oil in any way, and it just kind of sits as a lumpy mess, and it actually burned. So I got to come up with something else. I think what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to smash together the coconut oil and the Thai paste and make like a chili Thai oil paste. And then I might add a little extra oil, just to kind of, a little hot oil to kind of see if I can keep some of the heat. This is the red Thai curry paste I'm using. This says 50 grams to make Thai red curry, but usually then you mix it with coconut oil and you simmer it as a simmer sauce. Well, I'm not simmering in here. I'm basically frying popcorn. So will it hold up to frying? We'll see. So I need a bigger bowl. So I'm going to take our coconut oil. I'm going to add it to a bowl. And then I'm going to add this red Thai chili paste. I'm going to kind of mash it together. I've already got my Popsmith heated up. It's on an induction burner on 6. I'm actually going to lower that down to like 5.5. So let's use this to make popcorn. And speed is king here. And that is already bubbling away. I'm going to add my popcorn and the butter salt. We'll see what happens. I can already kind of tell this isn't going to work. It's starting to get a little bit of a burning flavor. But I think that chili paste is keeping the oil from getting to the temperature it needs to get to pop the popcorn. Chili paste may not be something that we can add directly to the popper. There's definitely popping happening in here. It doesn't smell burning yet. I'm interested to see what this tastes like. Something tells me it's not going to be 100% correct, but I want to keep it moving because I think that gives us the best chance of not burning. Definitely taking longer to pop than when I normally make popcorn. Let me turn off the heat. Let me pour this into a bowl and show you what I got. Whoever requested this, you owe me. This is what we were left with. A lot of this isn't popped. I pulled it before it could, but yeah, super burned on the bottom. Burnt Thai red curry popcorn tastes like. We're close to something. Okay, so we tried Thai red curry popcorn in the Popsmith, and that did not go well. So what I'm going to do is try to come up with a topping or a seasoning that can mimic some of the flavors of Thai curry on top of our buttered popcorn. Let's make some more popcorn, but let's make it spicy. I'm going to use half of this coconut oil and half chili oil. What that's going to do is give us a spicy base note. While that's popping, I've added some Thai chili, some like crushed up dried red pepper, and a roasted, this is pretty cool, this is a roasted chili pepper salt. And I added that together. And then I have fried shallot, and I have fried garlic. You can get these at any Asian store. This is actually delicious. It's going to add like a nice pungent punch on top of the popcorn. And then to simulate the coconut milk, I got some coconut cream powder. And I'm just going to use a little bit of this in my shake-on seasoning. Hopefully that brings a little of that like coconut milk softness to the top of hot popcorn. Popcorn's done. Let's transfer it to a plate. I think the lime juice will help my seasoning mixture stick to the popcorn. Also, from what I understand about Thai cooking, you want all 5 flavors. So the lime is going to give it a little sweetness. Now I'm going to cover this with my peppery mixture, Thai chili mixture, Thai chili roasted salt, coconut milk, shallots, and roasted fried garlic. I'm going to hit it with just a little more lime. Let's see how it tastes. Super peppery, lots of chili. I am getting a little bit of that coconut powder, a little bit of lime. Thai red curry will pop, but I think we could do better. If you know different ways I could try to make Thai red curry work in a Popsmith, by all means, let me know. Let's get popping.